वेट गर रेखा पौडेल दिदीको आइडीबाट लाइभ आउन मिलेन अरे अर्को आइडीबाट हजुरलाई एड गर्नु भएको रहेछ अरे कुन आइडीबाट हो त राजाहरू आइडी छैन त Hello. Where are you from? Hello. I'm from Korea. Where? I'm from Korea. What happened to your hair? Yeah, it's generated us to break it out to break it out. It's just in Korea and it's short or wide if it's spray. What happened to your hair? Just how? Huh? Yeah. What is mean? Oh my gosh. It has right now I don't score sports spray and everything say I don't score. Okay, like yeah, what's your real name? What's your real name, Joke? My name is Brian. Brian? Yes. You actually from Korea? No, I'm from Korea. I'm dry school bus. I'm dry school. My job, dry school bus. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, out to the town. Masla, bro. We look same. Oh, look at it. What's your name? My name, Prince. Prince. Where you from? I am from Nepal. Nepal? Yeah. Nice to meet you. Do you know Nepal? I know Nepal. You know Nepal? I know. Okay. Nice. You live in Korea right now? Yes, I live in Korea. I'm Korean 100%. I'm born in Busan. Where? I'm born in Busan. You know Busan? Busan, yes. I have watched a movie about Busan. Yes. Busan film. Yeah. Busan film, you know? Busan film. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you. How old? But why did you cut your hair like this? How old are you? I am 27. You? I'm 24 years old. Okay. Brother, Joke, listen. Why did you cut your hair like this? What? Why did you cut your hair like this? It's your hair? Yeah, this is fake hair, I know. Oh my god, can you show me your forehead like this? Can you show it? Full like this. Oh my god, brother. Same. Okay? Yeah. Now you look good, okay? I think so. Yes. I think so. Yeah. His spray out, I guess kind of sweet spray night at the Haruko school. What? Yeah, the hero spray out score a Haru sorry nice and the kiss amber for a while. What kind of English is this? Yes, your Haru is your hiding his pro and the couch in a ragged so ragged form. You तो मेरो दाइ पदम जस्तो पो देख्यो त यार Okay, joke. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. That's nice English. I love it. I love it.
That's nice. What is?
Yeah.
What is? I ishar Haraway is pray na kari in the regular store and as in your regular store. What it could store and regular. Yes.
I didn't understand your English.
English? Yeah. English. You never regular or how do we be the freaking now? Are you just hearing how or whoa? Or what do you Sorry, what you doing? What do you mean?
This is English. This is English. You doing the same, I doing the same.
English?
Yeah.
Regular has so Rick Maury does it have regular sorry. And now what is Oh my god.
Yeah. This is English. Yes.
Hey?
Yes.
And the
Yes.
And the cow.
This is also English. You also English. I also English.
English?
Yeah.
English?
Yeah.
This language. I had a regular for a wall. Please roll right now. And the audio is breaking at all. We had a story not afraid.
के बोल्दिनँ यार म त के सकिनँ के भयो
Okay. Sambendaya vivantandu sambara khavina saruma tempavad vandarayo sungkin tingayong gobawa piwat tanasili sanitang wantamanjayino chandara tamawan Tandia Yuano Sukang Palang Pawandu Sampamangkalang Rangkandu Sampandewanda Sampasangkanu Pawena Santan Swante Pawandu Te Pawandu Sampamangkalang Rangkandu Sampandewanda Sampasangkanu
Hey, joke, listen.
Pawena Santan
What is this? Larang, tarang, parang, kang, chang, lang. What is this? What is this? लामासामा भाषासासा हानेको के हो त्यो हुँदैन पढ्ने त्यो मतलब हुँदैन त्यो तरिकाकोहरूको बुद्धिस्टको पाराको च्याट एउटा रिक्वेस्ट गर्छु एउटा रिक्वेस्ट गर्छु जति सक्छौ सेयर गर जति सक्छौ सेयर गर जति सक्छौ सेयर गर जति सक्छौ सेयर गर रेखा तामाङ भन्ने त्यो सिस्टरसँग एकछिन जोइन गरौँ जति सक्छौ सेयर गर जति सक्छौ सेयर गर गेस्ट सेस्टमा कोही छ भने एक्लै सिङ्गल बस्ने भन एक्लै सिङ्गल बस्ने भन एक्लै सिङ्गल बस्ने भन फास्ट 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 सिङ्गल बस्ने भन मल्टिपल गेस्ट जोइनमा नराख मल्टिपल गेस्ट जोइनमा नबस्ने भन है सिङ्गलै बस्ने भन उहाँलाई म जोइन गर्छु सिङ्गल बस्ने भन फास्ट सेयर गर सेयर इट ओके न यो टाइम चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि टुगेदर हुने टाइम हो सबैजना एकजुट हो सबैजना ओके यतापट्टि जो पनि सपोर्टरहरू बसेको छ सबजना रेडी भएर बस पहिला सपोर्टरहरूको पहिला ग्याङहरूको यसो हेल्प जाओस् त्यसपछि म गर्छु रेडी भएर बस सबजना ओके रेडी भएर बस डु फर द सेयर डु दिस सेयर ग्याङ सबजना एकजुट हो पहिला यति बेलामा सबजना एकजुट हो सेयर गर सब ठाउँमा सेयर गर म बोलाउँछु है म बोलाउँछु ओके